So what Manufacturing USA does through these institutes, it basically gives the opportunity for some of these energy-saving technologies to be demonstrated. So in a lot of companies, the upper management will not put money to do these demonstrations. So when we come in with taxpayer dollar and make these demonstrations and prove out the higher efficiency, the upper management of the companies takes notice, understands the competitive advantages, and then the taxpayer dollar gets disengaged, and it's internal dollar R&D from the companies that pushes the technology forward. So what Manufacturing USA does is it allows the seed funding that will create the demonstration, that will get the upper management of companies excited so they can take that technology and then push it forward on their own. And that's very, very valuable because with a small amount of money from the taxpayer, we get a massive return when companies themselves come in and develop the technology further and bring it to actual product.